Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today we're checking out the 2025 Highland Ridge RV Open Range 372 MBH. Outside, you spot the mini fridge for cold drinks and a grill top ready for quick cookouts, plus rugged graphics and ample storage for chairs and gear, so you set up your patio vibe instantly. Inside, the dining table sits sturdy for meals or games, next to plush reclining chairs and a sofa perfect for lounging. With the fireplace warming up under the TV, kitchen shines with microwave above the oven, massive residential fridge, deep sink for prep, and even a dishwasher. Extra room packs a couch with loft above, plus a half bath right there with sink, mirror, and toilet. Loft bed adds more sleeping flex. Main restroom delivers a spacious shower, sink with mirror, and full toilet. Up front, the main bedroom offers a king bed, dresser for clothes, TV for winding down, and closet to unpack fully. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.